Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Hey guys, it's Sade. Welcome back to my channel. As you've seen by the thumbnail, I will be showing you guys my current morning skincare routine. I keep some of my items in this bin on the shelf, so that's what I am doing. So before I get started, I'm going to play some music and wash my hands. I do this step every single time that I wash my face because that's what I'm using, my hands. After that, I do put on these wrist scrunchies that I got from Amazon so that the water doesn't slide down my arm. That is so annoying. I got these 4-pack for about $6 to $7. The cleanser I'm using is the Panoxyl 10%, and I'm going to start by adding a little water to my face before I start to apply. I started off by using the 10%. I didn't even know that there was a 4% for a while, but this one works best for me. I do break out from time to time and I have oily prone skin, so using Panoxyl with the benzoyl peroxide helps a lot. From time to time, I do use these eco tools that I got from Five and Below to help like exfoliate and scrub my face. It helps me to make sure that I get all the dirt and excess residue off of my face when doing that. After cleansing my face, I'm going to then go in with drying my face with a towel. I don't care too much about using a paper towel. This works good enough for me. The next product I'm using is Dickerson's toner, which is fragrance free. I use a cotton round to apply this and it helps remove excess residue like oil and is not over drying. For my acne, I use CeraVe acne gel, which helps clear acne and prevent breakouts. I don't have any pimples, but I do have a little mini bumps on my cheek right there. I just rub it in with my finger. Next, for my dark spots on my face, I use Faded by Tropicals. As you can tell, I'm running out and I definitely need some more. I use a Q-tip because that stuff stinks and I'm a little extra, so yeah, we're gonna find a way to apply this but not have my fingers smelling. For moisturizer, I use the CeraVe moisturizing lotion. This product doesn't clog any pores, it's lightweight, and it is oil free. It absorbs in my skin so nicely. The next thing that I use faithfully is my Black Girl sunscreen. This one is the SPF 30. It is infused with jojoba and avocado. I love how it doesn't leave a white cast, and it also helps with my hyperpigmentation. The second to last step is the CeraVe healing ointment. I probably don't need this, but I love how this makes my skin look and feel after using. I just feel more protected and moisturizing. Like this just locks in all the moisturizing that I've done before doing this step. Then I go in with my Shea Moisture lip balm to finish it off. Like the skincare is not completed if your lips are dry. Okay? And a little reminder, guys, take your vitamins. So guys, this is the end of my morning skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And with that being said, see you next week.
We just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.